This air inflator deflator, these two sides are the same size. It's powered by a standard 12 volt from the car socket. And so you have this adapter which can go on either side, whether you want to inflate or deflate. So with this adapter, you can either, have if there's a hole, something you want to inflate that's larger, up to this is the larger size, and then it goes smaller, and you can have adapter to go a little bit even smaller, and then even smaller than here. And then if you have you can see that there's a little, let's focus on that. And you see how it's a little indentation. So this one's similar where it's indentation but on both sides. This is just one side. So both of these will fit on the very tip, and this one as well. And if you want to just make it shorter, this one actually fits directly on it as well. And then if you need the extension, this one goes, and you can attach pretty much any one of these and have any size. If it's in an awkward position, then this gives you some flexibility. So I'm just going to do a quick demo on how quickly it inflates or deflates.